Lusail Sky Festival, Qatar 2025. New laser technology, precision, and experience. These are the elements that create a show, watched by hundreds of thousands of people. We are VISBE. We create the biggest show in the world. It all starts months in advance with the meticulous planning of every single element. Hundreds of people and tons of equipment must work together like a perfectly synchronized instrument. That's why we work with the best teams. Each performance is tailored to the individual needs of the client. After discussing the script and selecting the technology, we create an action plan and start programming. 5 tons of equipment are needed to create laser shows, holograms on a water screen, and special effects. Everything is packed onto pallets and, depending on the location, shipped by air or sea. At the same time, other teams prepare planes for the shows, program drones, and get the pyrotechnics ready. A few days before the event, everyone arrives at the venue. Safety is our top priority. We secure the area and build the entire infrastructure needed for the shows. Transport and set up lasers, smoke machines, and pyrotechnic devices, machines that allow us to control fire explosions and sync them perfectly to the music, down to a fraction of a second. A pool is filled with 19,000 liters of water. Using pumps and a 4K laser projector with 32,000 lumens of power, we create stunning 3D hologram effects. Meanwhile, other teams work at the airport, checking that every system is 100% functional, installing pyrotechnics, and preparing the air shows. During the briefing, all show details and safety procedures are reviewed once again. The final work and configuration of the systems are underway. We set up laser devices to create not only spatial effects, but also large format animations. Every element is planned down to the second. In just a few seconds, using 20 devices, we create clouds so you can literally experience light. We align each laser to millimeter precision using specialized software. Aeropact, responsible for a part of the air shows, conducts tests with all the pilots. Meanwhile, 3,000 drones are set up on the launch field. Our testing sessions last many hours, all to achieve absolute perfection. For most people, this will feel like day one. But for us, it's just another day, a very important day. Because today, the world will see the results of the hard work of hundreds of people. Technology, passion, and experience come together to create an unforgettable experience. Over 3 days of the Lusail Sky Festival, our light show was witnessed by 340,000 people. Create with VISBE.